Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the strike-through or cross-out text feature in Google Slides. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Slides, just click on the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, using the strike-through or cross-out text feature in Google Slides can be beneficial for a lot of reasons because number one, if you are collaborating on a presentation with others, using strike-through text can help show what content has been revised or removed. Now, that means it serves as a visual cue to indicate that certain information is no longer relevant or accurate. Now, when presenting revisions or updates to a document using strike-through text can effectively highlight what has been changed. Now, this makes it easier for viewers to quickly identify alterations without needing to compare different versions of the content. Now, creating a cross-out text or a strike-through is very easy and a straightforward process here in Google Slides. All I have to do is start a new presentation if you haven't done already. Click on it, and from here, let's put some text right now. Okay, I'm gonna put some information for now, and then we're gonna do that in a bit. Okay, so again, we can rename the presentation as different file name, and let me just put some data here. All right, so let's make it a little bit bigger. Hold on. Give me let me just make it this text a little bit bigger. Now, this is going to be our text, okay? All I have to do is highlight this one, click on the format option, and hover down to the text. As you can see, there's going to be an option that says strike through, right? Okay, so let me do that again. All I have to do is highlight the text, go to format, click on text, and go to strike through. Now, you also have an option right here on the color. You can use a red. You can also use a different highlight to make an emphasis, all right? And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.